Assalamu alaikum students. Today's topic is ellipse. Ellipse, eccentricity is always less than 1. The mathematical definition of the eccentricity is called eccentricity, which is equal to C upon A. C represents the focus point, A represents the vertex point, which is also called major vertex. Here, A is always greater than C. Ellipse can lie on the x-axis as well as on the y-axis. If you notice, for example, the ellipse lie on the x-axis. This point is called major axis, A and A dash. This covers this one, major distance. That's why it is called major axis, A and A dash. If it is, this length is greater than this one, definitely the ellipse lie on x-axis. And opposite, for example, if the ellipse lie in this way, this length is shorter and this length is longer. This is A and A dash, and this will be B dash and B. The focus point will lie F and F dash, and here the focus point will lie again F and F dash. And there are 2 points of focus, that's why it's called foci. This is B and B dash. As I have explained you, A and A dash are major axis. It is for both x-axis and y-axis. Major axis, this is equal to 2A. How? This distance is equal to A. This is also equal to A. The total length will be 2A. B and B dash, minor axis. And minor axis length is 2B. F and F dash, length of foci. Length of foci, which is equal to 2C. Now, need to understand a line which is passing through foci. It's called length of the lattice rectum, whose mathematical value will be equal to 2V square upon 8. Eccentricity, as I have already explained you, E is less than 1. The relation between A, B, and C is C square is equal to A square minus B square. And the relationship between B, A, and eccentricity is B square is equal to A square 1 minus E square. These things are common between x-axis and y-axis. If, for example, in question it's mentioned the length, what is the length of the semi-lattice length of the lattice rectum, then it will be B square upon A, because it will divided by 2. And this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled. The length of the semi-lattice rectum will be this one. These facts are common between both the axes, x-axis and y-axis. Now, what is the difference? The difference in the equation. This is for x-axis I'm writing. This is for y-axis. Number 1, x minus h whole square upon a plus square plus y minus k ka whole square upon b ka square is equal to 1. This is for x-axis. And the major axis will lie, the major A will lie on the x, below x-axis. It is indicating that it's lie on the x-axis. While x minus h whole square upon b square plus y minus k का whole square upon a square is equal to 1. Number 2, vertex h plus minus a comma k. Minor vertex v dash h comma k plus minus b. फोकाई जिसके ऊपर आपका एलिप्स लाई करेगा एक्स एक्सिस के ऊपर, उसी पे आपका वर्टेक्स लाई करेगा, उसी के ऊपर आपका फोकाई लाई करेगा. h plus minus c comma k. Similarly, if you will see here v, it will be h comma k plus minus a for the y-axis. Number 2, v dash h plus minus b comma k, जिसके ऊपर आपका मेजर एक्सिस लाई करेगा, एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड यू, उसी के ऊपर आपका फोकाई पॉइंट होगा. इज h comma plus minus c. Equation of directrices. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Now, equation of directrices are the 5th point. If the axis is lie on, if the ellipse is lie on the x-axis, then equation of directrix will be x is equal to h plus minus a upon e. Sometimes it's also written in the books h plus minus c upon e square. Similarly, y is equal to k plus minus a upon e, k plus minus c upon e का square. The one of the most important thing, for example, if the center point is not given to you, I have not mentioned the center point here. I'm writing with a different color that you can easily identify the center for both the axes. For x-axis and y-axis, it's noted by h comma k. If, for example, the h comma k is missing, then this is the best thing. If you will take the midpoint of a dash, you will get the center point, which is c h comma k. If you have f and f dash, you will take the midpoint of it. Again, you will get the h comma k. If you have b and b dash, if you would take the midpoint of these coordinates, then again you will get the h comma k. This is the best thing, either on for x-axis or for y-axis. This is the basic theory of ellipse.